Today, Buick is ready to give us a full rundown of the tweaks coming to the model, though they are all relatively minor as this is a mid-cycle refresh for the popular SUV. Sitting atop the Buick SUV lineup, the 2022 Enclave is a stylish, family-friendly, and value-packed alternative to European luxury crossovers. Although less flashy than rivals from BMW or Mercedes-Benz, the Buick manages to appear more upscale than average. Inside, 3 rows of seats mean there's room for a large family. Like its corporate cousin, the Chevy Traverse, the Enclave is powered by a 3.6-liter V6, which delivers sufficient power and quiet operation. What buyers won't find is the level of interior fit and finish that many of its rivals offer. However, the Buick's relatively low starting price puts it at an advantage for those who are seeking a bargain. Buick's largest SUV receives a styling refresh for 2022, complete with modernized front and rear bumpers, updated exterior lighting elements, redesigned wheels, and a revised center console with a new push-button shifter. The top-spec Avenir gets a luxury boost in the form of unique exterior trim, quilted leather upholstery, massaging front seats, and new wood inlays for the cabin. The rest of the lineup benefits from a host of newly standard driver assists, such as automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic high beams. More advanced tech such as adaptive cruise control, a head-up display, and a rear pedestrian alert feature are optional. On the infotainment front, Buick has upgraded the Enclave's standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto features to work wirelessly. Spending big bucks on the top-spec Avenir model doesn't quite get you the luxe environs we expect from a premium SUV, so we'd save the money and go with the mid-range Essence. At around $44,000, it's a well-equipped family vehicle with plenty of features such as onboard Wi-Fi, perforated leather seats, and 6 USB ports that will keep passengers happy. Under the hood of every Enclave is a 3.6-liter V6 making 310 horsepower. It powers either the front or all 4 wheels via an unobtrusive 9-speed automatic transmission. It's not the quickest crossover, but the Enclave is fast enough that there's never any cause for anxiety when merging onto the highway, and the engine goes about its business while leaving the passenger cabin undisturbed. For those who need brawny towing capacity, the Buick can tow up to 5,000 pounds when properly equipped. A well-damped suspension helps the 3-row SUV hide its mass, but it never feels as athletic as, say, the Audi Q7. Instead, the Enclave trades on comfort with a luxurious ride that glides over pockmarked asphalt and barely registers harsh impacts. The steering provides an appropriate amount of feedback for a crossover, with crisp responses and moderate effort. It's unfair to expect economy car efficiency from a hulking 3-row such as the Enclave, but rivals such as the Volvo XC90 simply outshine the Buick in our testing. While the EPA's ratings have these people haulers in a close heat with each other, the XC90 significantly exceeded its EPA highway estimate. On our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, the all-wheel drive Enclave Avenir delivered exactly as promised, 25 mpg. Not bad, but not on the others' level. The Enclave's cabin is as roomy inside as you'd expect from a vehicle this size, and Buick has integrated many comfort and convenience features. Altogether, the interior's design is handsome and practical, but material quality and attention to detail are what hold the Enclave back from being competitive with its luxury-branded rivals. The wood trim looks and feels chintzy, the sunshades for the optional panoramic roof aren't power-operated, and only the passenger side second-row seat slides forward to allow third-row passengers in and out, a clear cost-cutting move that compromises convenience. If cargo space is your main concern, the Enclave is the best choice in this segment, as it offers the most cubic feet of storage space in each of its configurations. In our testing, it swallowed a whopping 38 carry-on boxes with all of its seats down and provided space for an impressive 5 carry-ons behind its power-operated third row of seats. Nestled into the dash between 2 asymmetrical air vents is the Enclave's standard 8-inch IntelliLink touchscreen infotainment system. The interface is user-friendly and rendered in a lovely arrangement with crisp graphics and an abundance of features. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both standard, and users can connect their devices to the internet via an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot. Navigation with real-time traffic and weather updates is optional, as is a wireless charging pad for smartphones. All 3 rows of seats have 2 USB ports for charging devices too. We had expected the Enclave to get a significant interior overhaul, though that isn't the case. The interior is virtually unchanged in the 2022 model except for the center console, which has the new push-button electronic transmission gear selector. Buick says the model will receive premium soft-touch materials throughout, though we expect the nicest ones will find their way into the Avenir trim. The Avenir will receive heated and ventilated massaging front seats, unique interior trim and seat patterns, adaptive cruise control, and enhanced automatic emergency braking. Buick is also giving the Enclave several safety features as standard: automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane keep assist, automatic high beams, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and rear parking sensors. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are also standard kit. The 2022 Enclave will roll onto dealer lots with the same 310 horsepower 3.6-liter V6 and 9-speed automatic transmission that propels the current model. Front-wheel drive is standard, with all-wheel drive offered as an available option.
Subscribe to Auto TV.